Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook pixel issue problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook pixel issue problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Here in this page you will go to click for stop. After that, in this page you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.